Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be clarifying a misconception on one of my videos. So a couple months ago I put out a video on Diablo's wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys. The title of it is Diablo wheel cleaner, and I'll put a link to that up here so you guys could go ahead and check out that video. Basically it was like a review / how to use the product and the results, and basically my opinion on the product. So I got a comment on that video shortly after from someone that said basically I was using it wrong, that it needs to be diluted. I was like, whatever, maybe they're thinking of something else. Well, not too long ago, I got another comment, and the comment was actually kind of funny because it was, quote, "You're using it wrong, kid," which I thought was actually hilarious. So I decided to basically look into it and put out this video. It's going to be a real quick, simple video, but I wanted to clarify my video as well as those comments. I wanted to acknowledge those comments and basically explain what's going on or what happened. So as you can see, this is a spray bottle. This is a Chemical Guys spray bottle version of the Diablo wheel cleaner, and you're not going to be able to see it. I'll try to put a close-up or a picture up in the video here of the directions, but basically the directions say, I'm going to read the full entire directions to you guys. So the directions: always rinse wheel surface off with clean water to loosen dirt and debris. Shake well. Spray Diablo wheel cleaner onto wheels, tires, and suspension components. Agitate wheels and tires with the brush to remove brake dust, grease, and road grime. Rinse for a spot-free shine. Apply Chemical Guys wheel guard for added protection. Now that is all of the directions. The rest of the stuff on here is Chemical Guys story, as well as giving some background on the product and some ingredients and stuff. So nowhere on those directions does it say to dilute this with water. And in my video, I followed the directions. So why are people commenting, hey, you need to dilute it with water, or hey kid, you're using it wrong? That is so funny. So where I think the misconception comes in is Chemical Guys sells a gel version of this Diablo wheel cleaner. And in that gel version, it comes in a bottle and it has a squirt top, kind of similar to, if you watch one of my videos on how to clean leather seats with Chemical Guys, that conditioner, how it comes out, that's the Diablo wheel cleaner version. It's thick, it's a gel, and it comes out like a thick gel. It's not a spray bottle. That one, as well as Diablo sells, Chemical Guys sells a gallon container of the gel wheel cleaner. Now the gel is what you dilute with water to make it work better. You do not dilute the Diablo wheel cleaner spray bottle. This is not the gel. So you don't have to dilute this one. Think about it. It's just like your car soap. When you buy the car soap, you mix it with water, and that's what foams up and creates suds and all that. This, however, is already a liquid. You do not have to dilute this. Per Chemical Guys, per the directions from Chemical Guys, it has nowhere in here that says you have to dilute this or that you're supposed to dilute this. This is pretty much already diluted. This is in a liquid form. So what the people in the comment section are probably referring to is the gel version. Maybe they didn't know, maybe they don't have access to the spray bottle version and all they have is the gel version, so that's what they know. Just like I really didn't know they had a gel version until I looked on Chemical Guy's website. So maybe that's where the misunderstanding came. But I just thought it was funny at the way the comment was, "You're doing it wrong, kid." I just thought that was hilarious. But I wanted to go ahead and make sure to correct this confusion, this misconception of diluting it or not diluting it. I don't want somebody to watch the video and look at comments and be like, "Oh, well, am I supposed to dilute it or not?" That's only the gel version. It's not the spray bottle version. If this was meant to be diluted, Chemical Guys would say here on the directions. But obviously it's not, and it works perfectly fine just the way it is. So hopefully that helps you guys. I don't want to keep rambling on too much. I just wanted to make this a quick video and straighten up any confusion that there might be of diluting it or not diluting it. So just to recap, the spray bottle, the Diablo wheel cleaner, it is not required to dilute it with water. It's already good to go. Per Chemical Guy's directions, it's good to go. Now the gel version that Chemical Guy sells in the bottle that's about this size, as well as I think it's a gallon jug, that needs to be diluted with water in order to work. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. We're slowly growing, but surely. I appreciate everyone that watches my channel. We're just at over 300 subscribers. It's not much, but it's definitely a big accomplishment from where we were about a year ago. We just started out. So I appreciate everyone that watches my channel. I appreciate all my subscribers, my new subscribers, and hopefully we can keep this momentum going. So yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone. I really appreciate it. Makes me feel good that I'm actually helping people. I get a lot of comments on my videos that it helped them solve their problem, or it helped them understand something they didn't understand. So that's the biggest plus for me is I started this channel to help people. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you all, and if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you'd like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.